Oh, she's got a bit of a wheel spin on. Right. Turn left at the post, guys. Go on, you're gonna have to get some speed up there to get up that mound. Go, 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 go! The sun! We haven't seen it in days! Oh, she's crashed, she's crashed, she's crashed!
Is that one?
No, keep going. What are you doing? What are you putting your stand? Well, you put your stand out and then laid the bike the opposite way. Penelope, get on the bike, let's go. Your brother's gone. Put your stand away. Put the stand away. Let's go. Woo. Yep. Why have you taken your bike in there?